Today in this video, we will have 10 minutes to practice Qigong massage legs and feet. Look like from here, you can use that area to massage your left sole of the feet, okay? Right palm to measure, okay? From the ankle, right here, and up. S right here is your right wrist, right? Right wrist, okay, right here, there's a point. You can do that for 10 times and even more. Sometimes we are very confused and we are very busy, so that's why we forget our body. The body here is made with the 4 elements. The earth in our body have elements the earth and the water, the breathing, the air, right? And the energy, the warmthness in our body. So we get in touch with the 4 elements in the body, and we get in touch with our hearts and connect to all the internal organs in the body, okay? To heal, to relax, and to let go. These moments help us to bring your mind back to the body, to reconnect again, to unify the whole body and mind, okay? So it helps you to calm the body, to feel your belly, reconnect to the Mother Earth and to the body, okay? Breathe in, you're aware of your 2 legs, aware of your feet, aware of your back. Breathe out to relax your legs, your feet, and your back. We can start to click and massage your thighs. Go down to your legs down here, and then inside, okay? Go down again. You massage your legs this way. You keep your legs relaxed and release tensions, okay? Inside, go down. So you can do like 3 rounds like that, okay? Go down again. Breathe in, breathe out. That's so wonderful. Put your hand on your knees, okay? And then go down. And then from your little fingers down here, okay? Beside your legs, okay? Down here. There's a point. So you can click beside that one. So this one is keep your legs healthy and relax. Okay, you can click and relax. Follow your breathing, so you can relax your legs and relax your thighs. Okay, you can feel it. Breathe in, breathe out. You can click for 50 to 100 times. Okay. You feel it when you do hiking and you take a break, right? You stop somewhere and you click in this point, can strengthen your legs. That's so wonderful. So you may shake your hands, relax your hands and your legs. You put your left legs on your right knees, okay? And then you can use your right hand, make the fist, okay? And look like from here, you can use that area to massage your left sole of the feet, okay? Your left foot. So you can massage up and down to circulate the blood and qi from your left foot, okay? Massage up and down. Massage a little bit for a while, and then feel your sole of the feet warmer. Breathe in, out. That's so wonderful. And then you use both thumbs to massage up and down, okay, like that. Massage up and down. You can roll around. And then you can use your right thumb to massage its toes. Its toes over here, okay? Press it. It's so nice to have a time to relax your feet and your legs and take care of them, you know. You walk all the time, right? But it's wonderful to have some time to appreciate, to feel grateful, okay? So you can use you can massage and press it, massage and press it. its toes. Okay, and then you got hand to hold your left knees over here. Then you can use your right hand to massage in the back of your left foot. Okay, and massage up and down. Circulate the blood. Relax your left foot. That's so wonderful. And then you can continue to use your right palm to measure, okay, from the ankle right here and up. S right here is your right wrist, right? Right wrist, okay, right here. There's a point. Is on the belly of your legs, belly of the leg right here in the center, and then you press it, and then release it. You can do that for 10 times and even more. This one can help yourself to release the necks and relax your legs. Okay, sometimes you have numb necks, okay, on your legs. Breathe in, press, and then release, breathe out. Okay, do that for 10 times or even more. 10 times is good. Right here. You see it? Right here in the center. Press it and release it. Use your right thumb to do it. It is painful, a little bit hurt, but it's so good, so wonderful to do it every day. That's so wonderful. And change another leg, okay? Right legs on your left knee, okay? And then use your right hand to hold first part of your right legs, right foot, okay? Like that. And then you make the fist with the left hand, and you massage of the sole of the right foot, okay? You massage up and down like that until you feel warm. Offer space and time, okay, for your right foot to relax and circulate the blood and qi. We send love and care, compassion to your legs. You offer gentle smile to yourself. So wonderful to have a time to massage your feet like this way. And then you can use your two thumbs, okay, massage up and down like that. You can do this movements actually before going to bed, or sometime after a long walk, or just like in the middle of the day you want to massage your legs. And then you can use them to massage each toes, okay? So use your left one, massage the first toe like that. You can press, boost up and press at the end, okay? Okay, one more time. Do now, here. That's wonderful. And then you can hold in your right knee up here, and you put your feet like this way, and use your left hand to massage up and down, okay, in the back of your right foot. It's so wonderful to circulate the blood. You massage up and down 10 times. That's so wonderful. And then you can measure, okay, left palm, measure from your finger down here until up this way, okay, as your wrist down here, okay, down here. You see it? It's in the center, okay, down here in the belly of your right leg, okay. Press it and release it, okay. You can do that. Press it and release it. Here, press it. Release the necks from your right legs. Okay, you press it and release it. Okay. Do that 10 times or even more. Breathe in, out. One more time. In, out. That's so wonderful. You open your palms. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow.